This is document A from the Brazil DBQ. These are two bar graphs, and these graphs are adapted from the World Bank data tables, GDP and GDP per capita from 2015. This graph represents 13 of the world's countries. GDP stands for gross domestic product. This is an estimate of the total value of all the goods and services a country produces in a year. GDP per capita refers to the average share of GDP each person in a country receives. It is calculated by dividing GDP by the number of people living in the country. So here we have GDP, the United States being number one. If you were to take all of the European Union, 27 countries, it would be higher, but that is not a single country. And so you can see that Brazil ranks 8th. If you take a look at GDP per capita, so now you're dividing by those 200 million citizens of Brazil, you're taking their GDP and dividing by the 200 million. Now they rank 64th. So Qatar, the site of the next World Cup in 2022, has the highest GDP per capita. So the average person, how much money they have in their pocket per year or their bank account. US is number 10. And then 64th, because we're looking at Brazil, let's take a look. 64th is Brazil, and you have to make an imaginary line straight across to find out, on average, how much does each Brazilian have annually as an income.